everyone, welcome back to our channel in Info Roshan, and I hope you are doing well. Friend, in today's video, we are going to check a opportunity provided by the one of the multinational organization, and we are going to check the all the details. Means what types of opportunity you will get and how you need to apply. So I'm talking about the Hilti Group, friend. So you can see they have started their Global Outperformer Summits, where trainees connect with senior leaders and peers from across the Hilti world. So you can apply for this opportunity. It is a very good opportunity. We are going to check the all the details. Friend, if you don't know about the Hilti, it is a multinational organization, and they are involved in the various types of products you can see related to the cutting, saving, and grinding, far stop, cordless system, and you can explore their websites to know about more regarding the Hilti Group. So these are the things about the Hilti, and so talking about their outperformance program. So you can see here, this is a very good opportunity for fast track your career, because through you can see there are one of our five development tracks. I will provide you all these five tracks, and you can prepare for global leadership career, being at the center of their customer purpose business model and taking full responsibility from the day one. And friend, the five tracks are here given that you can apply for the business, or you can apply for the finance, then technical, and then logistic track and operation track. So according to your interest area, means the things in which you have your interest, you can apply. Like if you are having the interest towards the business management, then you can apply. If you are towards the finance, then you can apply the finance. And if you are related to the technical mechanical work, then you can apply for this. And you can see the logistic and supply chain management related, you can apply. And if you are interested towards the starting to end operations, then you can apply for this. So you can see below each track there is a track overview is given. Like if you are going to check about the technical track, once you click, then this you can see a small screen will appear, so you can read about that, what it will be your role. Means you will get the basic idea here. Okay. And so you will get the basic idea. Similarly, if you are going to click on this logistic track, then again you will get the overview. So there is a PDF attached, so you can see you will learn the material management role, then intro regarding the global logistics. So you will learn all these type of things here, and you can visit their website to get more about these profiles. So so friend. How you are going to apply? Let's check about that. So I have given the link in the video description box, which you need to open. And once you open, then you will come to this page here. And at the bottom, you can see apply now. You have to simply click on that. And friend, once you click, then you will be redirected to this page here. So friend, one of the very important thing is that in this global outperform program, you will visit your home country, and you will also get the exposure of their foreign countries. So you will get all these detail, means exposure here, and the program consists of a total of 2 years. We are going to check in details. So you can see this is the website where you can see the various global outperformer program is open. So I have entered the keywords outperformer. So all the across the countries are appearing here. So if I can select the country, means if you are applying from the USA, then you can select the USA. If you are applying from the India, then you can select the India. So I have currently selected the India. So the one program is open here. That is a, you can see, global leadership training. So I am going to check this program, and also I will explain you regarding how you do to apply. So I have to click on that, and this page will appear here. So you can see. So this means the length of the each program will be the same. That is 2 years. So first 12 months you will be act as a account manager in India, and then second year you will lead and contribute to high profile business critical projects in India and our Asia Pacific hub in Singapore. So in the second year, you will get the chance to explore the Singapore also. So which is a very good thing here. And below you can see the exposure they have given, what types of exposure you will get in 2 years. So like in 6 months, you will learn the program to understand depth of their business solutions and their comprehensive learning journey with IMD Business School in Switzerland with qualification from the IMD. So actually, they are having their headquarter in the Sun, which is in the Switzerland. So and you will get the one-on-one mentoring by executive management team member. So this is the overall things you will learn here, and what will be expected from you. So you can see here that you are recently completed an or ongoing master degree, and you should pass out from the 2025 2026 or by March 2027 batch. And then this out for performance program will start in the May 2026, and you have an international exposure with at least 4 weeks in person overseas experience, 3 months to 4 years of professional experience you should have, and you can see you should have a fluent in English and other languages. And a strong customer centric mindset, leadership, and entrepreneurial solution oriented approach, and high learning, agility, resilience, and the ability to thrive. So, these are the things they are expecting from you. So, these are the things given. So, before going to check how you should apply, first you need, please subscribe our channel Information, because we are making the various types of courses, jobs, and notification videos. So please subscribe Information so that we can make more videos similar to that. So please subscribe Information. And friend, you can see the posting is given on the LinkedIn also. So you can check the authenticity of this Outperformer program, and it is a very good if you are the freshers and you are passing out from the 25, 26, or 27 batches, because you will get the very good exposure here. So let's how you need to apply. So once you open the profile, then you can see the apply now here. So to simply click on that, and you will be redirected to this page here. You can see. So if you are not registered on this Outperformer program, then you have to first register yourself. For that, you have to click on this form device. You have to upload your resume. If you are selecting the second option, that is a copy paste, then you have to provide the description of the your resume. And the third option is that you can apply with the LinkedIn. So you have to select anyone, and you have to click on this continue. You have to provide your details, and please provide the details properly, because it is a very good opportunity. So don't get the chance to miss it. So please apply very means actively, and if you are selected, then you will get the all these details in the your email ID. So if you have any query regarding this opportunity, please comment down the video. We will definitely check your questions, and please subscribe Information. Thank you.